Hey everybody, so I just want to make sure y'all know about these sea moss shots. Like, they literally changed the dynamic of my family taking their sea moss daily. The juices and the shots, I don't even have to ask them anymore to take it. So we literally we enter through my garage instead of the front door. I have a refrigerator in the garage. We all, without me asking, grab a shot and we are in the car, like, or taking a shot or something like that. And I'm so happy that it has come to that point, and they notice when they don't take the shot. Or somebody will forget sometimes and they be like, oh my God, I forgot to take my shot. But it's okay